Are you going to visit your Indonesian future in-law for first time? Or perhaps you're coming to Indonesia to visit friends and business partner? Or you just want to understand what makes Indonesian tick? If you answer yes to one of the questions, then this video is for you. My name is Hendra. I was born and grew up in Jakarta, Indonesia. In this video, I'm going to share some insight how to make great first impressions on Indonesians. First tip, make some effort to speak Bahasa Indonesia. Since we are a kid, we've been told that it's really important to learn English if you want to do well in life. So there's no wonder that growing up, we associate speaking English to being highly educated or having a high social status. Heck, we even have generations growing up in South Jakarta, Jakarta Selatan, find it cool to slip in some English in their daily convo. We call it Bahasa Jaksel, South Jakarta language. And here is what it sounds like.
Ya, that's why ada possibility untuk kita adjust sales target kita di tahun depan. Ya, let's say around 10% lah ya, tapi correct me if I'm wrong ya, cemil.
I'm guilty of this myself when I speak to my fellow Indonesian in Australia. Every Indonesian would say that they are proud of their national language. But we also know that Bahasa Indonesia is not widely spoken like Mandarin, French, or Spanish. Even our close neighbor Australia is not even interested to learn our language, which is a shame. Keeping that in mind, so just check out our reactions when foreigners give it a shot to speak our language.
Apa kabar?
Baik-baik saja.
Oh my god, you really can speak Bahasa.
Siapa namamu?
Arif.
And I'm his wife, I'm Tiara.
Nama saya Chris.
Wow.
Satu,
No way.
dua,
No way.
empat, lima,
No
enam,
way. You
tujuh,
can speak bahasa.
sembilan. Pulang kampung nih.
It's not being a Hollywood star or president. Just look at the reception this young man got after speaking some Bahasa Indonesia.
Atas. Ini eskalator turun.
Ya, oh turun. Oke, makasih. Oh maaf guys. Halo semuanya. I'm still looking for my batik clothing like this. Yeah. Okay.
Speaking our language wins our heart. At this point, you must agree that it's not fair. I've been speaking English, but I never got that sort of reception. So, guys, please give me a like and subscribe to cheer me up. Tip number 2. Eat street food and durian. Every Indonesian is a foodie. It's hard not to when you live in the street food heaven. It's cheap and it tastes amazing. So here's the tip. When your Indonesian friends or hosts invite you to a restaurant, ask for the best makanan gerobak in town, street food. Ask for ketoprak, sate padang, martabak, kuah putu, gado-gado, tahu goreng. Don't worry if you catch them all. I list them in the description and they are just some of my favorite street food. It will impress your Indonesian friends for 2 reasons. 1, you're telling them that you are up for adventure and not afraid to catch stomach bug. It's a fair concern. I grew up eating street food, but I still need to be careful and prefer to do takeaway because some gerobak don't have a running water to wash their dishes. Second, you're showing a deep appreciation of our local culinary. Ask foreigners to name 2 Indonesian cuisines. Most likely, they will just mention 1 or 2 like nasi goreng, fried rice, or mie goreng, stir-fried noodle. Want to level up? Then try durian, the king of all fruits.
It smells a little bit like garbage.
Is that poison? It's not that bad, right?
Oh, this is awful.
Oh my god.
Oh,
No.
why is it so terrible?
For me, it's the best tasting fruit I ever have. So if you can get past that smell, we will give you a thumbs up. Lastly, bring oleh-oleh. Bringing oleh-oleh or souvenir, keepsake, to relative, friends, business partner is a customary practice for Indonesian traveling overseas. It's so common that if you type in unboxing oleh-oleh on YouTube search bar, You will find hundreds of videos. In fact, my mother-in-law just spent up to 2 grand and went back to Indonesia with 2 suitcases full of oleh-oleh. Does it mean that you need to spend a lot? No, not at all. Personally, I don't do it. My family and friends know that I'm cheap. Having said that, if you visit someone in Indonesia from overseas, you don't want to come empty-handed. Bring something khas, unique, special from your home country. Just 2 simple rules. First, don't give anything that contains alcohol or pork, unless you know that they drink. Indonesia is a Muslim majority country. You probably know that, but I feel like I still have to mention this to be safe. Second, it has to be something that they enjoy or proud to have. Just give you one example. Vegemite is uniquely Australian and Aussies are proud of that. But please bring something else.
I feel like I'm gonna actually grow up.
So what can you bring if you're from Australia, for example? Manuka honey is a great choice if you have the budget. If you're cheap like myself, even like Tim Tam biscuits, keyring, kangaroo soft toy from Paddy's Market will do. It's not about the price tag, it's the thought and the feeling of receiving something unique from your country that counts. That's it for me, guys. Please give it a like and subscribe if you learned something new. If you've been to Indonesia, then I'll be interested to know your thoughts. Please leave a comment. And I will see you next time. Bye.